Trash feels like a small part of our day, but the system that handles it is massive. Once you throw something out, it gets picked up, moved through several facilities, and packed into a landfill that's built to hold it safely for decades. In this video, we're going through that entire path, step by step, from your bin at home to its final stop. It all starts in your home, your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office. Anywhere you generate waste, food scraps, packaging, broken items, plastic containers. It all goes into a trash bag. When that bag is full, you take it to your outdoor bin. That's the first step where the trash leaves your control, but it hasn't really gone anywhere yet. On collection day, a garbage truck arrives. Most neighborhoods have weekly pickups, and trucks come early in the morning. There are two common types. Automatic side loaders use robotic arms to lift the bin and dump the contents. Rear loaders require workers to manually empty the trash. Either way, once the trash enters the truck, it's immediately compressed using hydraulic presses. Compaction reduces volume so the truck can hold more waste and makes transport easier. A single truck can collect trash from hundreds of homes in one route. After the truck fills, it usually heads to a transfer station, not a landfill. Transfer stations are central facilities where trash from multiple trucks is consolidated. Trucks dump their loads onto a large tipping floor. Heavy machinery spreads the trash while workers or automated systems remove oversized or hazardous items. Sometimes, recyclable materials like cardboard, metal, or plastics are separated at this stage. After sorting, the remaining waste is loaded into larger semi-trailers or rail containers capable of hauling much more than local trucks can manage. These trailers are then sent to a landfill, which is often far outside the city. The long-distance transport stage moves trash across the region. Some landfills are tens or even hundreds of miles away from the neighborhoods they serve. Trucks or trains carry thousands of pounds of compressed trash, merging millions of small bags into massive loads. This step ensures the landfill receives enough waste to operate efficiently. When the trash arrives at the landfill, the facility is already engineered to handle it safely. Modern landfills aren't just piles of garbage. Each active cell starts with a base layer that includes compacted clay, a thick plastic liner, drainage pipes for liquids, and gas collection systems for methane. Trucks unload the waste onto the working area, called the active face, and bulldozers spread it evenly. Compactors roll over the new layer to reduce air pockets and minimize volume. This process repeats continuously as new trucks arrive. At the end of each day, landfill operators cover the active area with soil, mulch, or special foam. Daily cover prevents odor, stops pests, and keeps debris from blowing away. Over weeks, months, and years, layers of trash, compaction, and cover build up. Once a section reaches capacity, it is permanently capped with clay, a plastic liner, and a final layer of soil. Many landfills also plant grass or vegetation on top to reduce erosion. Methane gas from decomposing organic material is collected through wells and sometimes converted into energy, while liquids, called leachate, are drained and treated to prevent contamination. From start to finish, the path of trash looks like this. It is created inside your home, placed in an outdoor bin, collected by a garbage truck, transferred to a central facility, loaded into a long-haul trailer, transported to a landfill, spread and compacted, covered daily, and finally sealed long-term. Every piece of waste goes through this system unless it's recycled or processed in a different way. The next time you toss a banana peel, a food wrapper, or an empty container, remember what happens after it leaves your hands. It becomes part of a highly organized, carefully managed process that happens every day across the country. Millions of homes, millions of tons of waste, all following the same chain to reach the landfill safely and efficiently.